In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Google Vids. Mastering the nuances of formatting can significantly elevate the presentation of your video projects, making them look more professional and engaging. Whether you're working on a project for school, your job, or just for fun, knowing how to properly align your text can make all the difference. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Vids. You can easily find Google Vids by searching for it online or by going directly to the Google Workspace products page. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of applications available for use, but today we're focused solely on Google Vids. Upon arriving at the Google Vids page, your next step is to sign into your Google account. There's a sign in button that you need to click. It's quite straightforward. If you're already logged into your Google account on another tab, this process might be even quicker for you. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use. Most of us have more than one Google account, so make sure you're selecting the one that has access to the video you want to edit. Once you've selected the correct account, you'll be directed to the main Google Vids interface. Now let's get down to the main event. Centering your text. First, find the text within your video that you want to center. This might be a title, a section heading, or any other text element that you feel would benefit from being centered. Click and drag your cursor over this text to highlight it. Highlighting the text tells Google Vids exactly which text you want to format. With your text now highlighted, look for the Format option in the toolbar. The toolbar is typically located towards the top of your screen. It's here where you'll find a variety of formatting options, but for now we're only interested in the ones that pertain to aligning your text. After clicking on Format, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Align and Indent. This will open another set of options specifically related to the alignment and indentation of your text. It's within this menu that the magic happens. Finally, within the Align and Indent menu, you'll see an option labeled Center. Clicking this will instantly center the highlighted text within your video project. It's as simple as that. Your text is now artfully aligned in the center of the screen, creating a balanced and professional looking aesthetic for your video. Centering text in Google Vids is a quick and easy process once you know where to look. Whether you're spicing up a personal project or putting the finishing touches on a professional video, aligning your text correctly is key to producing a polished final product. Remember, it's not just about the information your video conveys, but also how it's presented. Text alignment, especially centering, can help draw your viewers' attention where you want it, making your message even more powerful. Before I wrap up, let me remind you to always preview your video after making formatting changes. This ensures everything looks exactly as you intended, without any surprises. Sometimes after centering text, you might find that you need to adjust other elements of your video for a harmonious balance. To all the aspiring videographers, educators, professionals, and hobbyists out there, I hope this tutorial has helped demystify the process of text alignment in Google Vids. Keep experimenting with different formatting options to discover new ways to enhance the visual appeal of your projects. Until next time, happy editing.